So a few weeks ago I was on TikTok of all places and I saw a video of this melody box. This is the Ressha Melody Box. This comes from importbible.com. It's a pretty cool little item. I was semi-drunk when I saw the video, so I decided to place an order and it came to me in a couple of days. These do sell out pretty often, so they might be sold out when you watch this video. So today we're gonna go ahead and put this in my 1992 Skyline GTST. I've had my Skyline for a few years now. It's pretty basic. It's an RB25 swap. I did the color on it and the wheels and a couple other little mods here and there. And one of my favorite mods that I did to the car was my JDM backup alarm. It's kind of a weird, quirky little item. A lot of people might think that it's kind of stupid, but I think that it's awesome. So when I saw this, it kind of reminded me of the, I guess it's called a ETC card reader that comes in a lot of Japanese vehicles. Some people import a card and it'll actually come with that installed. And because there's no link in the US, it just says a little phrase in Japanese. I always thought that that was cool on a lot of people's cars. So I decided to get one of these. It's super easy to install and it comes with a bunch of pre-programmed sounds. 45 greeting sounds, in fact, and 3 backup alarms. So all you need to install this is maybe some 3M adhesive and a cigarette lighter plug. It's USB powered, so it's pretty easy and convenient to install. I'm gonna show you how it works and what it's all about. So when your Ressha Melody Box comes in the mail, it'll be in a nice little envelope. It comes in a really nice box. Comes with a thank you card from the owner of Import Bible. I guess he signs it and says thank you. You can follow them on their social media channels also. I really like this packaging. You can see the actual melody box. Comes with a brief description of the melody box with a track list. Comes with a USB cable and your USB adapter for your vehicle. And all in all, it's a really nice package. So install is going to be super simple. All you got to do is take your included USB adapter, plug that into your cigarette lighter, and then take the included USB cable and plug that into the melody box. So as for placement, I think we're going to place it right here next to the steering wheel. It'll make it nice and audible when I go to turn the car on. There's kind of a blank spot on the Skyline right here. I don't know if these are buttons that would be on a GTR. I've never been in an R32 GTR actually, now that I think about it, but it's a nice little spot for this melody box. So we're going to take some 3M tape and just put it on the back of the melody box and then put it on the car. So now when we turn the ignition onto the on position, it's going to send 12 volts to our USB adapter and then send 12 volts to the melody box. Once the melody box gets that initial 12 volts, it's going to go ahead and make our chime. So if you want to select different sounds, all you do is scroll to the left and to the right. There's 45 pre-programmed chimes and 3 backup alarms. So to get a little bit of a better idea of all the sounds, I'm going to go ahead and put my lav mic next to the melody box, just so you could hear all the different sounds.
Powered by Acura. Powered by Audi. Powered by BMW. Powered by Chevrolet. Powered by Datsun. Powered by Dodge. Powered by Ferrari. Powered by Ford. Powered by Honda. Powered by Hyundai. Powered by Infiniti. Powered by Kia. Powered by Lamborghini. Powered by Lexus. Powered by Mazda. Powered by Mercedes-Benz. Powered by Mitsubishi. Powered by Nissan. Powered by Porsche. Powered by Subaru. Powered by Suzuki. Powered by Tesla. Powered by Toyota. Powered by Volkswagen。失礼します。通ります。失礼します。通ります。またすぐに遊びましょう。またすぐに遊びましょう。お気をつけください。バックします。お気をつけください。バックします。インポートバイブルオートモーティブスタイル。ハートブレイカー、がっかりさせないで。こんにちは。安全運転を。首都高速をかっ飛ばしましょう。お久しぶりです。 とうございます。シートベルトをお締めください。豆腐配達マシン準備完了です。いらっしゃいませ。エレクトリックパワー、NA パワー、ロータリーパワー、スーパーチャージドパワー、ターボパワー。
So the last step for this is to take the USB cable and try to hide that the best you can. My interior is half ripped apart, so it doesn't really matter. I can just pull this back a little bit and this cable will slide right back into the dash. If you don't have a center console that's half ripped apart like my car, you can take some sticky backs and some tie wraps and kind of conceal this a little bit better. That's pretty much it for the install of this thing. Like I said, super easy, super simple. So a couple of the downsides with this is if you have a cigarette lighter that stays constantly hot, this isn't really going to work how it's supposed to. You could still just push the button and make it chime. So if your cigarette lighter is constantly hot, this isn't really going to do a chime when the car gets turned on because it's already turned on. That's not really typical on a lot of vehicles. I have a few vehicles that have constant hot 12-volt sources. My van being one. I think my Mustang might be constantly hot. I can't remember. But luckily on the Skyline, it's not. It just, you turn the ignition on and then you get 12 volts to the cigarette lighter. Another downside is that you got to buy some 3M adhesive. I kind of wish it came with some. 3M stuff's cheap. You probably got it laying around in your house or your garage if you do stuff to cars anyway. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching and checking out this cool little device. I'm pretty happy with the purchase overall. So thanks Import Bible for making a cool product. I did pay full price for this. I don't get any sponsored videos really. But if you would like to sponsor me, Import Bible, that'd be awesome. And send me something else cool. I like doing reviews of gear and car stuff, especially when it comes to stuff that's cool like this, like JDM little trinkets and stuff. I like making my Skyline a little more JDM. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'd appreciate that. And maybe subscribe if you're into Skyline stuff and other car things and photography and videography. That's pretty much all I do. We should have some more cool stuff coming up with some electronic stuff for cars. I still got to do the Type S LED installed for the interior. That'll probably be in my next video. So please stay tuned for that and have a fantastic day.